yesterday. We got long right here. It might have been right here. I'm not sure. And ended up getting stopped out, so I ended up getting long up here. I managed to wake up. Was I asleep? I was doing something. No, this isn't yesterday. This is, what's today? The 13th? Oh, dang, a lot happened. Yesterday, gave the long for this. I want to say I got long right here. This happened. Boom. That happened. 8 a.m. 7 a.m. No. I'm lying. We got long right here. I gave the long for this. And I want to say price came back and stopped me out. 8 a.m. 1 a.m. Trying to remember when I was asleep. No. I got long somewhere in here because I got stopped out right here. And when I woke up, I got relonged. If I remember that correctly. But yeah, we were on the spider line. Price was flipping. The VWAPs were flipping back bullish. As you can see, you could have waited. You could have ignored all this noise. I got a problem with trying to catch the first long, you know. Typically I would have just taken profit and tried to try again, but I don't remember what I was doing between here and here. So I can't say. But all that being said, people were afraid to get short up here. But y'all know we short the spider line. And we already knew once this hourly got above these our daily VWAPs expanded, you could have took the real short or the second short, because the real short was up here. And then once we got back below the spider line and our VWAPs flipped, it took a while to flip, but you know, they eventually did. Even if you would have waited it out and got long over here, you still had a chance to catch this move. I caught majority of it. I think I got out about 122. Like right here. So now, as y'all can see let's go to the 1 minute. Our 1 hour is forming above all of our other VWAPs, so we're probably gonna come on down. Unless we come down here and bounce on the daily and then start chugging along. So Asia price action might stay in this little range. Until we break out of it. So if we were looking for some longs for continuation, we would be looking to get long down here at the daily VWAP. That makes sense? Yeah. Because this was some clean price action right here. This shit just broke out. It didn't come back and retest all the way, but it did. Well, I guess it did give you a retest of the breakout. It's a small breakout. Break out of this, retest, boom. Go. Take it all back. Because we're market makers and that's what we like to do. Go. But we would have known to stay in the trade because the daily VWAP is still here. This is all day trading right here. This whole line is just all day. And our hourly VWAP is still chugging along up under all our other VWAPs. Never flipped them. But the daily just reset now, so we're flipping The question is now, range, flip, then go start making our way down, or stay in the range and go on up. The VWAPS is, man, that is it's a game changer if you ask me. Especially for people who are like,
makes it easier so you don't have to guess.
Yeah.
Less guessing.
Less guessing. And you can trade inside the trend if you just needed to. Like when I posted this chart, take forever to load. Anyways, it was the same thing as over here. Like once we got our daily VWAPs and we see what's going on, the question is, where are our hourly VWAPs? And this is like clear as day. Like, don't long this. You don't want to long this. Yeah, you could have longed down here under the VWAP, you know, for a quick scalp back to the day, the hourly VWAP, but you would have had to cut it at the hourly because, hey, the hourly is still above the daily. So you wouldn't have wanted to get long until, like I said, you could have got long right here for the early long, which is what I did, getting stopped out. But the real long was here. When they scare you thinking that they're gonna break price and go down. But we see that, hey, hourly VWAP is it's flipping all of our other hourly VWAPs and our daily VWAP. So in that case, we should be looking to get long with a stop here. You can even put a stop under the previous day VWAP, one of the previous days VWAPs, if you just have to have like a lot of room to breathe. Because right here, we're getting in at the bottom, you know. You don't really have to have a stop. I mean, yeah, you just never know, of course. But looking at what we're looking at, if we were going to be continuing down, then one of these VWAPs, our hourly VWAPs, would still be stacked on top of our daily VWAP. What can I see if I can find a good example? This is kind of a good example. Like, yeah, you could have got long out here. You could have taken these trades, but the hourly was still stacked above. All our hourly VWAP still stacked above. So that's not saying that, hey, continue up. That's saying the trend is down. And until we flip the trend, which we eventually did over here, we flipped the trend, the real long was over here. And all this is at the spotter line. So you just got to think like, hey, we're bouncing on the spotter line. Do we have volume? Do we have divergences? All those extra areas of influence, like right here. People might have been looking at this price action like, hey, time to get short. We're at spotter line. We got divergence. Time to get short. And then our hourly VWAPs are still up under our daily. Then we got a volume spike. And the Oath Keeper telling us, hey, price is about to reverse. I'm pretty sure if I had Market Cipher up, there would be a long printed right here on and money flow would probably be increasing. But yeah, all in the name of keeping you in the trend. You see that hourly VWAP up under that daily? You need to be looking for longs. It hasn't changed since I've started looking at this. Like, it hasn't changed. I might be a VWAP crackhead at this point. Because
crackhead.
Let's check on our magic trade. Voila. Magic. See? Magic. Got long down here. And this could very well flip this, and this could start coming back down. Because the daily just started, so our 8 hour and our 4 hour are still stacked on top of our daily. It won't change until we get new 4 hours and new 8 hours, so we'll know what's going on. So it's all in the name of being patient, waiting on your trade to come, you know. I told everybody to get out of this. But yeah, look at this trade. Look at that. Hit TP. I'm already out, but you know, there you go. Take profit right there. A good trade. No leverage, bro. %, no leverage. Let me post that in the group real quick. You couldn't even add leverage to this.
Wait, my boy run a trade. My boy run a trade group. All right. You gonna post the trade. Stay the trade. Want to see y'all make money.
Yeah, man. I just be wanting people to understand, like, do you understand? Like, if you don't understand, let me know. So I can, like, help. But yeah, we'll mark that when it's done. You can hold it if you want to. Maybe I should start looking at like real shit coins at the bottom. Because, bruh, there's no way you want to get into any of these coins when the VWAPs aren't aligned. There's no real history on this, but this could get up and go. Let's see what our new VWAP is looking like. So this white line is a yearly VWAP. Shit, I guess we can put an alert right here. Might be able to buy back in if it comes down here and retest this. I mean, it's not a year worth of price action, but it's represented as the yearly VWAP. I'm pretty sure the orange one is the weekly. Monthly is blue, which is right here. So bring it down a bit. Holding this cloud, so it might not come back down here. It might just get up and keep going for real. I don't even know what this is, bro. Oh yeah, I do. It's an exchange. It's an
Did you
exchange.
say Binance bought out?
You said what?
You said Binance was buying Ethereum yesterday?
Binance was. What's Binance doing? Binance is selling Ethereum right now, but buying futures. So they're trying to push the price down. Which is weird, but you know, once they start buying again, I mean, they just started buying again. They go 1.9 million right here. So either they might be about to keep pushing the price up. Some buys just came in on Bitcoin, 1.8, 2.8 futures. When the spot buys come in and the futures start selling, they're about to shoot the price up. But they want to liquidate you first, you know, before they do that. So they can get their money in. Same thing with Ethereum. If you go track this, you know, they're selling right now, but they're pushing the price up higher. Then they are looking to, they just balancing their books, you know. There's probably gonna be time to short Ethereum here soon. We can look at ETH. I gave a short, it played. So yeah, ETH is kind of chugging along. Next spider line is 49.30. Not really showing no signs of weakness for real. Let's go see. That is interesting. So it is showing sign of weakness on the low time frame. But like I said, this day just started, so Bitcoin is doing the same thing. All it's going to take is for this to just get up and start going, and these VWAPs will start flipping each other. But price being this far away from the daily VWAP is curious. That is curious, because technically we want to see this come back down here, try to flip the daily, and then continue. I don't see the daily. We need more information. It's just 10:30, so you know, we got time. But if it does keep going, and this, you already know, this hourly flips this 4 hour, I think it's 4 hour. Yeah, this hourly flips this 4 hour, then yeah, we're looking for shorts for sure. Let's see what the hell, huh? Where the leapfrogs at? What the leapfrogs? Leapfrogs. So yeah, daily leapfrog is down here too. So, oh, this is previous day. I think that's previous day. Oh, let me check. Where's it? Yeah, that's previous day. That will match this because this is previous day as well. So we've already broken out of this daily VWAP. We either come back, retest it, and go now, make divergence and come down, boom, 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 then go. Or we come on down here to this weekly. Yeah, this weekly VWAP. I don't think it's about the dump though. Hold on, what volume at? Yeah. Oath Keeper is curving up. That's like market cipher curving up money flow. So I think we bullish, man. I don't know. You said you sold your Bucky?
Yeah, I got out of it. It is moving. I was like, let me go ahead and head out. But I mean, that was like Saturday night.
Yeah, I don't even remember what we got in at. I know it was a low. If the drawdown wasn't so crazy, I'd risk a little bit of money. Let's go see what's going on. Like, look at this. This is ridiculous. What is this? Shitcoin action.
That shit crazy.
16% swings, bro. 16% swings is insane. But yeah, I sold mine too. I can't remember how much I sold it for. It was like, didn't it go up like 50%, 50, 60%? I don't know. I got a bunch of shit coins on the watch list that are coming up under the yeah. It's a couple coins, man. We probably gonna be looking to get long at around 2, 3, 4 in the morning for real. 5 if we're lucky. Let these things come on down if they're not just gonna pump already up out of these VWAPs, because this is low time frame things. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this video. So thank y'all for tuning in on this VWAP Wednesday.